Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by learning the core pattern for reliable lookups in Excel. Use index, range, match, value lookup range 0 for a reliable exact lookup. Place the lookup value in a single cell and point match to the lookup range. Match uses 0 for exact match and 1 or -1 for approximate matches. Index returns the value from the result row number. Reference entire columns like A and B. B for flexible dynamic ranges when appropriate. Keep ranges consistent in size to avoid #ref and incorrect results. When you need precision, force exact matches with match and error handling. Use 0 in match to force exact matches and prevent incorrect approximate results. Wrap match or the entire index match expression in IFR to catch #n/, and provide fallback text. If your lookup cell contains leading or trailing spaces, use trim to clean it first. Ensure lookup range and index range have the same row count to avoid errors. Test with sample values to confirm the formula returns expected rows consistently. For multiple criteria, use a helper key or an array match approach. Create a helper column combining criteria like equals A2 and B2 to use a single match key. Or use match with an array using range 1 equals val1 asterisk, range 2 equals val2 in newer Excel versions that support dynamic arrays. Use index with match on the combined key or array to return the correct result. Remember that array match often requires Ctrl+Shift+Enter in older Excel. Validate results across several rows to ensure accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.